Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we're going to make a vegan mushroom bok choy soup. So simple, so easy, so healthy. If you're starting to feel a little down, maybe you got the flu bug or something, this is going to make you feel a whole lot better. It's so comforting, and I hope you enjoy it. We're going to start off with some mushrooms. These are portobellas. Got about a half a pound, and we're just going to get those sliced up and prepped. And over there on the other counter, I have another half a pound of shiitake mushrooms. This is the bok choy. Now you see 3 of them. I only use 2. All we're going to do is cut off that root end, and then the leaves will fall apart. Give those a rinse if there's any dirt or grime on there. And then we're just going to chop them up into nice little bite-sized pieces. We're going to use the entire plant. Alright, so I got an onion I had diced, and that started softening in there with a tablespoon of veg broth or so. We're going to add the mushrooms, get those softened down. Then we're just going to add a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, kind of give it that umami flavor. In goes the bok choy. We're going to wilt that down a little bit. Again, I used 2 of those bok choy plants. They're about medium size. Now we're going to add an entire carton, about 4 cups of low sodium veg broth. And that's basically a soup. We're going to turn it on high heat, bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil like that, then we'll turn down the heat, all the way down to low, and just put a lid on it, cover it up. And let it steep for about 15 minutes or so. We'll season it with a little black pepper, a little salt, basically whatever spices you like at this point. I added a little chili garlic sauce because I like that little kick. You don't have to, it's optional. I do recommend the miso, about a tablespoon, white miso. Now, people pointed out, and it's true, you don't want to cook the miso, so only add this at the very end. If you cook it, you kind of destroy the enzymes and all the stuff that makes miso so good for you. And garnish with a little green onion, sesame seeds, maybe, whatever you like. And that's basically our soup. It is, like I said, so healthy, it's so tasty, it's comforting, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please be sure and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll put a link down below for the entire recipe that you can go and print out. And come back next week. I like to do a video every single week if I can, showing you just how simple and easy it is to cook plant-based. It's not that hard, and it's not just sticks and twigs like people think. Anyway, come back next week. We'll see you then. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.